You're drawing Will. Will, what you got?
And I wish I could stay. But girl, you know I've got to go. But Lord, I wish it wasn't so. By the way you go and tomorrow I'll be going to see tonight.
Hey, what's your name?
Hey, I'm Lawrence Hill. I'm 25 years old.
Where you from?
I'm from Hertfordshire, just above London.
Oh, cool, great. Hey, so check this out. Sometimes magical things happen, and that was a magical thing. But before you went on, I was like drawing on my button, right? The face I drew, if you believe in like enchanted events in life, so I'm thinking that you channeled the face I drew, and then realized there was a smudge on it. So you're singing, right? So I'm like, oh shucks, let me like clean the smudge off. I swear to you, as I was cleaning his eyebrow, I pushed down on the button harder than I should, but then I'm like, oh shucks, I didn't hit the button. But then I'm like, okay, but he is pretty dope though.
So that might have been the strangest turnaround I've ever heard of.
That is probably the strangest turnaround.
What is the turnaround?
In the history of turnarounds.
Will, I'll take it. I'll take it.
So let's go. We're gonna spank the hell out of Gavin's team.
We'll do it. We'll do it.
I believe in destiny, but destiny is also destination,
We'll get there.
right?
Energies that we can't control are in control at the moment.
I don't know about that, but your coach is crazy.